I'm going to show you how to make better drop shadows in Illustrator. The one on the left is the default shadow you typically get in Illustrator. On the right side, I'm going to add a drop shadow. So I'm going to press my shortcut key, and this is what it currently looks like. To make this better, what I'm going to do is go down to color first. On the little swatch there, I'm going to left click on that. And what you want to do is try and pick the same color as the background or darker. I'm going to go to my color swatches. I'll select this blue here, as you can see. I'll click OK. So now it's got that blue. I'm going to go back to the color. I'm going to drag this down to make it darker. So I'm adding black to the tone. And then I'm going to drag these little sliders up a bit to make it like a bit of a navy darker blue. I'll click OK, and you can see there's better contrast here. It looks better than the black shadow as previous. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the opacity down to around 40%. I'm going to drop the x-axis down to about 0. The y offset can be like around 7 or 6. And the blur, we can bump that up a little bit more. I think I might bump the opacity to like 50%. I think that looks a bit better. And I'm going to press OK. And then now you can see that shadow, it's a lot more subtle. It's a lot more nicer.